As the Lunar New Year approaches, millions of people in China are preparing for the annual Spring Festival travel rush, traditionally marked by reunions with family and friends. However, this year's travel season has been severely disrupted by extreme weather conditions sweeping across northern China, including record-breaking snowfall, icy road conditions, strong winds, and dense fog. These hazardous conditions have caused widespread disruptions to transportation networks.
给大家看一下，看这是不是在廊桥？看。
leaving travelers stranded and prompting authorities to implement emergency measures. Provinces in northern China, particularly Henan, Shaanxi, and parts of Gansu and Ningxia, have borne the brunt of these severe weather conditions. In Henan province, areas such as Luanchuan County and Song County reported snow depths exceeding 20 centimeters, with other mountainous regions in Shaanxi experiencing snowdrifts as deep as 50 centimeters, particularly in Lantian County.
这几车连撞啊！这，哎呦我的妈！去！哎呦我的天！慢点，慢点，慢点！
木车得有1米深啊！看这都是雪啊，这不是假的，货真价实的雪啊，1米多深，大雪封门。 看见没？啥叫大雪封门？
Key cities in Henan, including Zhengzhou, Luoyang, Pingdingshan, Nanyang, and Shuhang, have implemented partial or full highway closures, severely impacting travel. The Henan Transportation Department confirmed that major highways across the province remain either completely shut or restricted to certain vehicle types. Passenger vehicles with more than 7 or 9 seats and trucks carrying hazardous materials have been banned on several routes, with some highways entirely off limits due to snow accumulation and visibility reduced by heavy fog. The snowstorm has stranded numerous travelers on highways, with reports of drivers stuck in traffic for up to 12 hours. Social media posts from affected areas highlight the severity of the situation, with stranded motorists struggling to cope in sub-zero temperatures. On National Highway 241, snow accumulation has reached 15 centimeters, resulting in overturned vehicles and fallen trees blocking critical routes. Local authorities have deployed emergency teams to clear roadways, remove debris, and assist stranded drivers, but icy conditions and ongoing snowfall continue to hinder progress. In Shaanxi's Qinling Mountains, heavy snow has rendered roads impassable, isolating many villages and confining residents to their homes. Emergency personnel are working to ensure the delivery of essential supplies, but mountainous terrain and poor weather are complicating these efforts. The extreme weather has also disrupted air travel, with Lanzhou Airport in Gansu Province reporting significant delays and cancellations. Passengers attempting to return home for the holidays have faced long queues and uncertainty as airlines struggle to manage grounded flights. Authorities have urged travelers to monitor flight updates closely and consider postponing non-essential trips. Meteorologists from the China Meteorological Administration, CMA, have issued warnings for continued heavy snowfall across eastern Gansu, southern Ningxia, Shaanxi, southern Shaanxi, and western Henan from the 26th of January to 28.
就感觉这个雪更大了呀。
看看这车卡在这都一动不动，看见没？它都动不了。
These regions, many of which are mountainous, are expected to see further increases in snow depth, making travel increasingly hazardous. The CMA has advised local governments to remain on high alert for road closures, avalanches, and other snow-related emergencies. Local authorities have urged residents to postpone travel plans if possible, and to exercise extreme caution when driving. Drivers are advised to equip vehicles with snow chains, maintain safe distances on icy roads, and carry emergency supplies such as food, water, and blankets. Residents in remote areas are encouraged to stock up on essentials and report emergencies promptly to local officials. The ongoing snowstorm has placed immense pressure on regional infrastructure.
这是四，你再看这头，看，还有把石头台啊。
Highways across northern China have seen temporary traffic controls, while emergency services face challenges responding to road accidents and stranded travelers. Local governments have mobilized snow clearing equipment, rescue teams, and medical personnel to assist affected communities. In rural areas, such as Lantian County in Shanghai, villagers have been left isolated by heavy snowdrifts. Fallen trees and blocked roads have disrupted supply chains, prompting concerns about shortages of food and other essentials. Emergency teams are working to restore access and deliver aid to these hard-hit areas. The unprecedented snowfall, coupled with freezing temperatures and fog, has raised concerns about the safety and feasibility of travel during one of the busiest times of the year. Authorities have emphasized the importance of prioritizing safety over travel plans, urging the public to stay informed about road and weather conditions through official channels.